Hey guys, Khalida here with KhalidaCalvin.com, and I wanted to come and share with you a huge tip for 2014 that I want you to implement. And this tip is going to allow you to start seeing a lot more convergence in your business. Now, I know a lot of people, they're having issues with, getting people to either opt into their list, or they're getting issues with having their list buy or become a partner or a customer with their product or with their company. And, one of the things that I know for sure that works is that you need to start doing video. And if you are not doing video right now, then you are missing out big time. And I know a lot of people, they don't want to do video. They're saying they don't know what to say. They don't have anything to say. They think they're going to look silly. But you need to just move past those inhibitions and just move forward, press forward, and do the videos. And a great way to do that is by doing a video challenge. Now, I know you are probably watching this video saying, yeah, it sounds good. I know that video is important, but there's no way that I'm going to go ahead and get started. Listen. Just pick your camera up, turn it on, and shoot a video. Then go ahead, post it, and put it on YouTube, Facebook, put it out there. Because some of the videos that I thought were my worst videos were well received. A lot more so than the ones that I sat down and edited and made look all kind of pretty. So you just need to get started doing videos and do it every single day, because if you are not doing a video daily, you are missing out big time. So promise me this, when you get off of here, you're going to shoot a video. Talk about anything. Talk about yourself. Talk about your Christmas. Talk about your start to the year. It doesn't matter. Just get started with video, because video is the way that you're going to start seeing a lot more convergence in your business. You're going to start seeing a lot more interaction with people from social media, from your list. Doesn't matter. Just go ahead and get started today. Now, I hope that this video was helpful. If you thought this video was helpful, go below and subscribe to my channel. And not only that, I also have my Facebook link below. Go ahead, add me. I love meeting new people, and I would definitely like to meet you. And seeing that this is my first video of the year, I am so excited to finally be able to do a video. I have for you a free gift below that I want you to check out. It's a video that I know will be very helpful for you no matter where you are in your business. So I want to thank you for watching this video, and I want you to connect with me over on Facebook. So once you're done, subscribe, add me on Facebook, and I will see you on the next video. Bye for now.